All right, this is a BABA plan for especially people who didn't get in or things that I want to see because I think this can go higher. It's at a key pivot point, and so let's talk about where this can go, and at the same time, what I'm looking for to get more to add into this thing or go long more into this stock. BABA is set up to test 112 to 115. Depending on how well we get towards the 110 area. It could go even higher, depending how we do this, okay? So anyways, BABA is at a key pivot point where power is key, okay? So people, even though the stock has moved, right, this doesn't matter. This stock is kind of the stock that, we should keep moving, okay? And that being the case, even though we're in the overbought, close to the overbought zone, doesn't mean anything. This stock continues to move, will continually move higher, whether it's overbought, regardless. Now, if you want to join, this could relax, and we could get but in case we want to keep popping, this is a way to enter this stock that would really confirm they really want to take this up higher because it should be able to move. So I would like to see BABA break above 104.80 on some good action volume. Good action volume is 3 million on a 10-minute chart. If the volume is less than that, then watch this base. Okay, so basically, if we get a push through 104.80 and we don't get it with good volume, something solid, should be close to 3 million. It could be 2.5, 2.8. That's fine. Something like 3 million and up would be the better. As we break through that 104, if we don't get that volume like that, you watch this base above 104.80, some basing above 104.80, and look for power through 105 to 105.25, right? So basically, we want to see this move up. Let's say they move this up with low volume, and we get above 104.80. They get to 105, but the volume is still low. You still want to watch it. You want to watch this base. It should be clear. Some strong volume, some sort of clarity of this type of volume should be clear as we start hitting this 104.80 to the 105 to 105.25 area, right? And if not, they may need some time for basing to see how it can hold and to see if it will fizzle out or not, right? Because in theory, it should show a lot of power. So I just want to clarify the power and to kind of explain that. So listen to this video several times to understand that, because that's what I'll be watching. I'm explaining what I'm watching based on my experience of what should happen with stock setup in such a manner based on what I've been seeing in my visionary lines. All right, now let's go take a look at the options. So here I am at the Yahoo Finance showing you the BABA options, February the 17th. And we'll go take a look at the 105. Okay, so the 105 calls are trading around, these stock spreads do tighten up. I was watching. You see there's a lot of action volume here. In the 105 call. See that? But if someone want to use the 106, you could use these. You could use the 108s if you want, right? Because there's good. They're trading pretty good with a good spread. So you really, depending on what you want to use, risk tolerance, amount of money in a person's account, you could use the 105s. The 106 or the 109. Now that's what they're trading at. So the 106 trading around $2, right? 203. The 106 trading at 161, and the 108 at 97 cents. Now of course you're going to have to pay higher on confirmation, right? You could be about, let's say on a rough estimate, each option will be 20 cents more than what you see it at on confirmation. Doesn't really matter, because if this is going to move, you're going to make money. If this isn't going to move, sometimes it might need a little bit of chop, but we want to see some power continuation at this point in time. It might need to base. Let's go back to the charts. So yeah, it might need to base. It might want to relax a bit, but you know what? There's no guarantee of that happening. So we have to act. That's why there's action. They might want to pull back, and there could be a support play. But what I want to talk about is on the forward action, because we are looking for power power push through that 104.80 to 105.25 area. And just keep in mind what I said. If you like my plans, follow me on Power Target Trades. I post a lot of great plans. LYB confirmed, doing well. CF confirmed, not really doing anything right now. IBM doing very well. Apple, you name it. There's a lot of great things we've been talking about. SPY, a lot of great plans. Following me daily to check for updates. Follow me on Power Trade on Twitter. A great thing, and so anyways, to easily subscribe, see the Sandro Power Target Trade, you're going to see it appear in a circle over here. Simply click on it to subscribe at the end of the video. If you have a problem subscribing, just come manually to the site Power Target Trades and hit the subscribe button. Okay, people, a great place to see some great videos, more informative videos, a lot of educational videos, a couple of really good educational videos. It's very well going to be listed on Power Target Trades. Also check out the Senex plan. This you've got to see for yourself. If you want to see great analysis skills, people, check out the Senex option. I make these plans to show the power of my analysis. I'm here to help my followers make money. But the point is, you've got to learn how to understand what I'm saying, right? I'm laying out detailed plans, but you got to understand how to do the detailed plans, and don't take action unless you are comfortable and you're proficient. So anyways, take a look at my site here. Let's click on it. Alright, so here's my site loading up. See the nice cool background here happening, animation. Isn't that nice, people? Oh yeah, look at that. But you know what? The key here is this video. If you're new, you want to check out this video. Google 300% gains in 3 days. Apple 200% gains in 4 days. What a great video. It's detailed plans showing the before, the after, everything. You've got to see this video. It's a great video, very informative, educational video. You know, a lot of stuff on my site is educational. You want to live on my site, because my site's the place to make the dollar bills. If you're serious about making dollar bills, you want to start living, studying, breathing Power Target Trade. All right, Power Target Trades, but Power Target Trade is me, Sandro. Okay, this video here, you want to see the reversal. You want to see some great detail. When most people were bearish, when one of the best traders in the so-called world, the way they market him, was calling for a market disaster, collapse on February 11. Well, you know what happened from February 11. What happened, but believe me, back then people were not thinking that. But you gotta look at this plan. Check out true, powerful analysis. All right, people. So anyways, back to Power Target Trades. Look for the subscribe. It's going to show up here at the end of the video. Thanks for listening. Like the video.